all of you are keeping well, and I hope you have also practiced the previous class, whatever I have taught you, right? So again we are going to start with chapter number 10, time chapter. In the previous class I explained you about how to read the time, okay, and what are the different hands in a clock. This longer hand is called the minute hand and the shorter hand is called the hour hand, H-O-U-R, hour hand. And in the previous class, the board work which I have given you, over there I think there was a mistake that in the shorter hand I have written second hand. So please correct it. It will not be second hand, it will be hour hand. The shortest hand is called the hour hand and the longer hand is called the minute hand. And the longest hand which is not given in your book, that is called the second hand. Okay. So let's do the, let's proceed with the next topic. I think you have also completed the assignment which I gave you to do. That was page number 128 and 129. Isn't it? No, it was page, yeah, correct. Page number 128, 129, right? On page number 129, half past time concept was explained. Half past time concept, what is it? Half past means we know that in 1 hour there are 60 seconds. When the clock completes 30 minutes, that means it has completed half an hour. Okay, half an hour. That means it has completed 30 minutes. So that is why, since it has completed half of 60, then that is why we call it half past. Okay, like here you can see this clock. Okay, you can see this clock. Here I showed you. This is the smaller hand is the hour hand or shorter hand is the hour and the longer hand is the minute hand. When shorter hand is pointing say 10 and longer hand is pointing 9. So what is, longer hand is pointing at 6. Okay. So how much minute it has covered? How do we read the minute? I told you, no, you have to read or recite the table of 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 6 are 30. So it has covered 30 minutes. That means it has covered half of 60. That is why it is called half past, isn't it? So we read this time as half past 10 and also we read this as 10:30, like that. Okay, so this concept was there given on page number 129 which I told you to do. Today we will be learning about another concept, that is quarter past. What is the meaning of quarter? Quarter meaning the 15 minutes. Okay, when the minute hand covers 15 minutes. How is it that, see, 15 minutes, where it comes 15 minutes? 1, 2, 3. 5 ones are, 5 twos are, 5 threes are 15. So when our hand is pointing 10 o'clock, 10, okay, when our hand is pointing 10 and minute hand is pointing 3. That means, what is the time? How do we read this time? We read this time as quarter past 10. Quarter past 10. Okay, that means 10:15. Okay, if anybody asks you if the clock is showing this time, then what will you say? How will you tell the time to the person? You will say it is quarter past 10. Okay, or you can also say 10:15. Right? So in this way, over here you can see on the board, I have given one example. See, the hour hand is pointing 9 and minute hand is pointing 3. So minute hand has covered how much? How many minutes? It has covered 15 minutes. So 15 means quarter. 15 minutes means quarter. Okay. So it is quarter past 9. Quarter past 9. We say quarter past 9. Okay. Or we can also read this time as 9:15. Okay. How shall we show 9:15 here? See, this is your 9:15. This is 9:15. Our hand is pointing 9 and minute hand is pointing 3. So it is quarter past 9, or we can also say 9:15. Alright. So based on this, you have another exercise which is on page number 130. On 130, you can complete this exercise. As well as you see on 131. Here also quarter not past. Now the next word is 2. Quarter 2. Quarter 2 means what? What is the meaning of this? What's the difference between quarter past and quarter 2? The difference is that in quarter past, that means 15 minutes has been covered. No, the minute hand has already covered 15 minutes. Okay, like here. In this clock, the minute hand, this is the minute hand, has covered 15 minutes. But when we say quarter 2, that means this minute hand comes at 9. Okay, 9. The minute hand comes at 9. Now, the next, after 9 o'clock, what is the next time? The next hour will be 10 o'clock. So, how do we read this time? How do we read this time? We say it is quarter to 10. Quarter to 10. Why do we say quarter to 10? That means to 10 to become 10 o'clock. There are how many minutes left? See, from here we will read 5 minutes, another 5 minutes and another 5 minutes. That means 5, okay, 10 and 15. So 15 minutes are left to 10. That is why we say quarter to 10, not quarter to 9. Quarter to 9 means, what is the meaning of quarter to 9? The meaning of quarter to 9 means to 9 to become 9, 15 minutes are left. And quarter to 10 means to 10, 15 minutes are left. Okay. Or in other words, how can we read this time? We will say, if it is quarter to 10, we will read this also as 9:45. Okay. If it is quarter to 9, suppose it is quarter to 9, okay, like this. The R hand is pointing, little bit to 9 like this, in this way. Okay, like this. So R hand is in between 8 and 9, and the minute hand is at 9. The R hand is between 8 and 9 and minute hand is in 9. So in this condition we will say quarter to 9. Quarter to 9. It's going to be 9 o'clock, but 15 minutes are left. Like this. Okay. I hope you are getting this, the difference between quarter to and quarter past. Quarter past means already 15 minutes are passed, and quarter to means still 15 minutes are left to be the next hour. Right? So when you do this kind of exercises, then you will understand. Look here in your book also, page number 131. In this quarter 2, like here you see the R hand is pointing 8 and minute hand is pointing 9. That means, what is the time over here? It's going to be 8 o'clock, but still 15 minutes are left. So we will read this as quarter to 8. Quarter to 8. Alright. Or in other words, we can write 7:45, not 8:45. Remember that. Okay. When you write this in the digital manner, in the numerical form, then we don't write in quarter to 2. We write the previous number when it is quarter to 2. Okay. So we will write 7:45, not 8:45. That will be wrong again. If it is 8:45, that means we will say it is quarter to 9. If it is 8:45, quarter to 9. If it is 7:45, that means quarter to 8. Like that. Okay. So based on this, you will complete page number 131. Now down you see draw hands to show the following time. Suppose in this question 9:45. Where will be the R hand and where will be the the minute hand? If it is 9:45, where will you place the R hand? Of course, you will place the R hand point to 9. Okay, minute hand will always, when it is quarter to 10, okay, so minute hand will always point 9, because 9 means how much minute is covered? 45 minutes. So 5 nines are 45. So quarter to 10 or quarter to, whenever it is coming, then the minute hand will always point the 9. It will always point to 9 number. Okay, right? And hour hand, it is said 9:45. 9:45 means quarter to 10. 9:45 means quarter to 10, because to 10 still 15 minutes are left. So we will point minute hand to 9 and hour hand to 10, because it's going to be 10 now. Next. In a similar way, the next two questions you will complete. Okay. Now we come to some more informations. I will make you write these information and you will copy down them in your copy. Okay. So from here we will try to understand few information about the time. Alright. So let us see how it goes. See, you have learned, we know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, we know 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. In the similar way, in whole day, in one complete day, 1 day is equal to how many hours? 24 hours. Okay? Then we can say 1 week. In 1 week, how many days are there? We say 7 days. Okay, in 1 week, how many days are there? 7 days. And what are the days? What are the days? We start from Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, like the days are, right, first Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. You will write all this in your copy. Thursday, okay, Friday and Saturday. So these are the 7 days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, we start from Sunday and we end at Saturday. Right? Now, these are the days of the week. Alright? Now we have months of the year also. Okay? So let's see what are the months of the year. I am not going to write the months of the year on the board. Okay? I will send you the the written work in the digital form which you can see. Now, 1 year. In 1 year, how many months are there? 12 months. Okay? And we know what are the names of the month in a year. We know 12 months are there. And how many, what are the names of the month? We will start. First month of the year is January. Second is February. Third March. 4th April. 5th May. 6th June. 7th July. 8th is August. 9th September. 10th October. Then 11th November. And 12th is December. Okay. These are the 12 months of the year. So in a year we know there are 12 months and the name of the months are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the 12 months. Okay. Now beyond this, if we see In 1 month, listen carefully. In 1 month, how many days are there? If we talk about 1 month, let's say first, in 1 year, how many days are there? In 1 year, we have 365 or 366 days. Okay, we have 365 or 360 days. And in 1 month, how many days are there? Either 30 or 31 days. Okay, so this many information you are going to write in your copy. Alright, so what are the information? 1 hour equals to 60 minutes, 1 day equals to 24 hours, 1 week equals to 7 days, 1 year equals to 12 months, 1 year equals to 365 days or 366 days, and 1 month is equal to either 30 or 31 days. Now how do we know which month is having 30 and 31 days? See, we will count, we will just make a fist. Okay, we will make a fist like this, right? And after making the fist, we will try to understand how we read the, the month's name and which month is having 30 and 31. Alright, so there is an exception which I will tell you right now. We'll start with, say here, January 31, then February 28 days. February either will have 28 or 29 days. Okay. The depression. This depression is called, or you can see from here also you can read. There's no hard and fast that you have to start with the right hand only or left hand only. You can start with this also. January, then this depression. This depression is February, which is having 29 or 28 days. Then March, 31 days. All these will have the elevated one, the knuckles will have 31 days, okay, and the depressions will have 30 days. But there are 2 months which consecutively have 31 days. Which are those months? Let me see. 31, January is 31, January 31, February 28 or 29, March 31, then April 30, January, February, March, April is 30, then after April is May. Okay, May is 31, then June is 30, okay, July and August is 31 days. July and August, 31 days. Remember, July and August are 31 days, okay. Then we come to, again, after July and August, what comes? September, okay. Now, September again is having 30 days. September is 30, okay. Then, after September we have October, 31 days. Then November, 30 days, and December we have 31 days, like that. Again I am saying, January 31, February we have like 28 or 29 days, March 31 days, okay, April 30, June we have, April is 30 days, June is 31, okay, then May, sorry, after April comes May, January, February, March, April, May, okay. Now May we don't have 31 days, we have 30 days, alright. Then June we have 31 days. Then July and August, June we have 30 days, July and August we have 31 days. And then September we have 30 days, October 31 days, then November 30 days, December 31 days. So this I will take again your class how to understand which month will have 30 and 31 days. I'll explain you that again, okay, in the next class. So I think you are getting a little confused, don't worry about it. I will send you some PDF for that so that you can understand very well, right. So there are 12 months in a year and I have already told you the name of the months, right? And number of days in a year, either it will be 365 or 366 days. The year which will have 366 days, they are called leap year, and the year which is having number of 365 days in are called non-leap year. Okay, so today I think this much information is enough for you all to understand. Okay, what you are going to do, you will complete page number 131 in the book, and you will also complete page number 133. How will you do that 133? See, there are some fill in the blanks. First question is, the first day of the week is Sunday, not Monday. We will write Sunday is the first day of the week. Okay. What is the first month of the year? January. A year has dash months. How many months a year has? 12 months. December comes after which month? December comes after November. The sixth day of the week, if you count the sixth day of the week, which is the sixth day of the week in this regard, then we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Friday is the sixth day of the week. Okay, we will write Friday as the sixth day of the week. Ninth month of the year is September. Last day of the week is Saturday. November comes just before. Now November comes just before which month? November comes just before which month? October. November comes just November comes just before December. Okay, because November is coming before December. December is later, but November is coming before December. Next, the 10th month of the year. Which is the 10th month of the year? October. Dash has 29 days in a leap year. February has 29 days in a leap year. A leap year comes after every dash years. Now leap year comes after every 4 years. Please note it down. A leap year comes after every 4 years. Then dash December is the last day of the year. Which December is the last day of the year? Dash December, 31st December is the last day of the year. 31st December is the last day of the year. Okay. A leap year has dash days. How many days a leap year has? I told you 366 days a leap year has. Dash comes before Monday. What comes before Monday? Sunday comes before Monday. Friday comes between Thursday and which day? Friday comes between Thursday and Saturday. Alright? Friday comes between Thursday and Saturday. The next leap year after 2008 will be, if it is 2008, count 4 more years in it. It will be 12. So the next leap year will be 2012. If 2012 is the leap year, what will be the next leap year? 2016. You go on adding 4 years in each year. Okay, like that you have to do. And don't worry about this fill in the blanks. I will write and I will send it to you as a PDF. Okay, you can see from there and can do the work. That's all in this video. I think you have understood more or less. And if you have any doubt, this Saturday we are going to have an interactive class, and you can do you can ask me your queries, and whatever you want to ask, you can ask me that day. Okay. So please practice whatever I have explained to you right now, and do copy this board work also in your copy. Very soon I will be uploading the work in the Google Classroom. You can submit your work over there. Okay. That's all. Have a good day. Bye bye.